The power of your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is very suggestible. It never engages in what is good or bad, even though its primary function is to protect you. Your subconscious mind seeks to create what it is fed, the thoughts, pictures, sounds or words it is given. All your life you have been programming your subconscious mind, consciously and subconsciously. The meanings you have put on events, reactions and responses you did or did not take along the way and your emotional responses. All these have helped shape who you are and the results you have in your life today. Here are 3 quick tips to help you ensure you harness the innate power of your subconscious mind to ensure you create the future you desire, set yourself up for success and flourish. I guarantee if you adhere to this you have the potential to take your results from mediocrity to magnificence, successful to extraordinary. How to easily start to reprogram your subconscious mind for success. 1. Spend a few minutes every day observing what you say to yourself. Observe with no judgment and write down your findings. Is it positive and pleasant or negative and nasty? Would you speak to your best friend in this manner? Are you focusing and talking about what you do want or what you don't want? 2. If you don't like what you say, start to consciously change what you say. Let the old thoughts go and start feeding in new words, ones that are positive and focused towards what you want. Your subconscious mind can now get to work on nurturing the new. 3. Eliminate words such as can't, should, ought to. Don't. Use words such as can, will, do, better, easier, more, it's possible. All these open you up to possibility. Your words have great power, and just like everything in life is energy. Energy only does one of 2 things: expands or contracts. These words will ensure you are expanding your focus out towards possibilities rather than contracting and focusing on scarcity, which equals limitations. 4. Your words have immense power. What you sow, so shall you reap. Your subconscious mind will harvest whatever seeds it is given. Make sure you are planting good seeds daily so your subconscious mind can cultivate the success you want. Today's words are tomorrow's results. To read more about how to reprogram your mind and discover a methodology to change your limiting beliefs, grab a copy of my book Creating Healthy Life Habits.